Hey, Greg, DIY RV and Home Camper's Life. Now, I was on Facebook the other day and came across somebody who threw a tip out talking about adding a shelf to their 22-inch Blackstone Adventure. And as you can see, I stole the idea. Now, I apologize because I do not remember the guy's name who actually posted this. I would love to give him credit. So if you are the one that gave this idea, please, in the description below, in the comments, leave your name. Take some kudos for this, because this is a pretty cool idea. Now, all I did was, because we know how expensive wood is right now, I took a couple pallet boards that I had lying around and cut them to size. Now, mine is at 34 inches and width is 10 1/8, and that works out really good to allow me to get it in and out with ease. Now, I did use some really good, actually, pieces of oak, 1x3 oak. Use whatever you need to for the guts that's on the bottom. And you can see also that because these boards were cupped, I just ran a kerf right down the center, nothing fancy, and then just kind of smacked them into submission. Yeah, it's got a crack on the top, but I'm not trying to win a beauty pageant with these. I'm just trying to use these as a shelf. And I think that is going to work awesome. Because as you know, we're always looking for that extra shelf, extra room to store something. So there it is. And yes, if you do look, my Blackstone is backwards to how they have it, because the Adventure is right there, or the Blackstone logo is right there. But I do it this way because I don't want to have to deal with the inlet going across the board or anything, across this shelf or anything like that. So anyways, kudos out to the guy that came up with this idea and presented it on one of the Facebook groups. Please, if it's you, comment. If you know who it is, make sure you tag them. So that's it. It's just a real quick hack for your Blackstone 22 Adventure, or any of them that have legs like this below. So, until the next video, happy camping.